Okay, we got this Rose of Sharon we actually talked about earlier. It was kind of too wet, but I think it might not be rooted deep enough. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna plant it into this pot here. This is actually a number 7 shallow. So what we're gonna do is these are from Proven Winner, a color choice, really neat shrubs. But what we're gonna do is try to take this out and without breaking it and seeing if it just wasn't planted deep enough or what. But you can see it has a lot of roots to it, so I just think it wasn't planted deep enough and it fell over. So what we're gonna do here, there's no soil in that yet, so what we're gonna do is take a scoop or two of soil and put it in there. So you can see we have it about that full, and we're gonna actually see how far this goes down, which actually, that's a pretty good depth there. So we're gonna try to keep it up the best we can here. Put some soil around it, smash it down. It's still falling over, so it's gonna need a couple more scoops in there. So we're gonna smash that down some more, and as you can see, there's a pretty good lip in there. So we're gonna add about a half a scoop more to this. Spread it around. You need an edge on it, that way the water stays in it. And now you can see, looks pretty good. Keep that edge down in there. And now it should be pretty good, and that can actually probably grow for a couple years in that pot there. But this variety, here's the variety it was. So that was the Proven Winner, and we're actually gonna take this off and we're gonna stick it in here. That way we know what it is. All right, thanks for watching this video today.